So here we are in our Swift extension to UIViewController, and you'll need to import mobile core services at the top of the file, like I've done here. And this is where we're going to write our launch video camera method. Let's look back at the Objective-C launch camera method and see what we need to include here. Okay, I think I'm just going to make a list of what this method is doing. Create image picker, set the properties of the image picker. What properties are we setting? Source type, media types, allows editing, and then set the delegate, and then present the controller. I think that's pretty much all this method does. Cool. Now we'll copy these notes over to the Swift project so we can fill in that method. Let's see, what should we call it? Record video controller. Set the source type, which is of course camera. Media types is a little bit tricky because it has to be an array and it also has to be a string. For now, we're going to set allows editing to false, but we're going to change that later. And we set the delegate to self, and we're almost ready. Present. Uh-oh, what's going on there? Cannot assign value of type UIViewController to, oh, we need to conform to the protocol, of course. And also the navigation controller delegate. Okay, cool, so that error went away. And then we present it. Probably don't really need these comments now. That ought to do it for presenting the camera, and now we also need to write the methods to retrieve the video that we record. Remember, there are two methods that we need to implement that are part of the image picker controller delegate protocol. Did finish picking media with info, and image picker controller did cancel. So let's look back again at the Objective-C version and see how these methods are implemented there. Here we are in the Objective-C project, and we're at the pragma mark for image picker controller delegate methods. If we look here in the method did finish picking media with info, we can see that first we need to check the media type. Then if the media type is a movie, we need to save this raw video URL. And then here the comments say, get start and endpoints for a trimmed video. Well, we're not trimming the video yet, so we can skip that part. And then here it's got a call to crop video to square. We're not cropping the video yet either. I'll tell you what, for now, we'll just save this video to the Photos album. That way we'll know the recording functionality is working. So we're back in the Swift version of our UIViewController extension. And to make this file a little more readable, I went ahead and moved the image picker controller delegate methods into an additional extension. Here in the method did finish picking media with info is where we want to save our video to the photo album. So we'll call the method UI save video at path to saved photos album, and we'll remember to dismiss this view controller, the image picker controller. Oops, this has to be a path. And if we scroll up to our launch video camera method, you can see that it's been connected to storyboard. It's connected to the record button. So our launch video camera method is ready. Our image picker controller delegate methods are ready. So let's run it and see how it looks. Okay, now keep in mind that when I show you these representations of the phone on the screen, I'm actually showing you a movie that I recorded of me running the app on my phone. Because of course you're going to need to be running the app on device if you're testing anything involving the camera. You won't be able to use the simulator. Here you can see I can launch the camera. I took a video of my teammate. The camera is dismissed. And here you can see that when I go out of the app and then I go into my photo library, my video's there. Fantastic.